Hi everyone, this is Parul and today I'm going to be sharing with you hands-free yoga practice. It's for the days when you are suffering from any wrist injury and you are not able to put too much weight on your hands. You can practice this yoga flow that's hands-free. You will not put a lot of weight on your hands, but it's still a very effective yoga flow. So let's start. So you can sit in a comfortable position like how I'm sitting. You can also take one leg out, okay? And then just close your eyes for a few seconds, relax your shoulders, let your spine be long. Settle in your thoughts, breathe naturally. And take one deep breath. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose. And then you gently open your eyes. We will continue with our practice. Namaste. Okay, so we will do cat and cow in sitting position. So you're going to just gently arch your back, expand your chest, relax your shoulders, head back, breathe in and breathe out round your spine, chin to the chest. Continue, breathe in, arch your back, breathe out round your spine. One more, breathe in, arch your back and breathe out round your spine. Chin to the chest. Okay, slowly get your spine to neutral position and then we are going to do neck rolls now. So you're just going to take your head in clockwise direction. 1 and 2 and 3, and then you switch the direction. 3, 2 and 1, and then you get your head to neutral position. Then you take your shoulders close to your ears. Breathe in, breathe out, drop your shoulders with a long sigh. Breathe in and breathe out, drop it. One more, breathe in and breathe out, drop your shoulders down. Okay, very nice. And now from here, you're going to take your right leg out, okay? And just take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out, just go forward, okay? Rest your hand wherever it lands easily. Don't worry if you're not touching your toes, just go forward, relaxing and releasing your hamstrings. Curl your toes in, keep breathing. Then you come up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, we switch side. So right leg in, left leg straight, take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, just go forward. Again, don't worry about your hands not touching your toes. You can just rest your hand wherever it lands, breathe. And then you take your arms up again, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, now from here, open your legs wide as you are comfortable, okay? And then just take your arms at the shoulder level like this. And then just go from side to side like this. 1, 2. Just getting some mobility in your spine. 3. Warming up your body. 4 and 5. Okay, now take your right hand down, left arm over your ear. So you're just gently resting your fingertips down. You don't have to put any weight on your right hand, okay? Opening your side body. And then switch, left hand down, right arm over your ears, right palm facing down, breathe. And then gently take your left arm up, breathe in, breathe out, just go forward. As far as your lower back allows you, relax your neck, breathe. Keep breathing, stretching your back, your legs, your hips for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your arms in, take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, Now you're going to just come on all four position, okay? And you're going to just rest your fingertips down, okay? And step your right leg forward. And you're just pushing your left leg back and you're on your fingertips. Your right leg is bent. Your right knee is on top of your right ankle. And you're not putting any weight on your hands right now, okay? Chest is open. Breathe. And if you think it is really difficult, you can always just do this as well, okay? So just see what works best for you right now. Breathe. And then from here, switch sides. So gently take your right leg in and left leg forward. Push your right leg back. Left knee on top of your left ankle. Breathe. Releasing your hip flexors. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Gently take your left leg in and we stand up from here. Okay. So just stand up. Okay, and from here, take your right leg forward, left leg back, lift your left heel up, become in high lunge. Arms are up, right knees on top of your right ankle. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. Stay here. High lunge. Really good for strengthening your legs and your whole body. Keep breathing. And then from here, you come in warrior 2. So just look at your right hand, bend your right leg. Right knee is on top of your right ankle. Look at your right hand. Keep breathing. And then take your left arm down and right arm up. Look at your right hand. Reverse warrior. So we are not putting any weight in the hands so far, as you would have noticed. But still you might be feeling the strength, the stretch. Breathe. And then you come back in warrior 2. And then you straighten your right leg. Right arm out. Right hand down, left arm up. Triangle pose, Konasana. Again, we don't have to put a lot of weight on our right hand. You can look up, look straight or look down. You can have a slight bend in your right leg. And then on your next exhalation, come up, breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Now switch side. Left leg bend. Spin your back foot. We come in high lunge on the left side. Left leg is bent, left knee is on top of your left ankle. Lift your right heel up, send your right heel back. Breathe. And then on your next exhalation, warrior 2. Look at your left hand. Breathe, relax your shoulders. Then on your next exhalation, right arm down, left arm up. Breathe, reverse warrior. Back in warrior 2. Straighten your left leg. Triangle pose, Konasana. Left arm out, left arm down, right arm up. Breathe. Look at your right hand or you can look down. Soften your left leg. Don't have to hyperextend your left knee. And remember not to put all the weight on your left hand. It's barely touching. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly make your way up. Breathe in, breathe out, arms down. Okay, toes pointing forward. Put your hands on your waist. Take your hips back. Soften your knees. Okay, chest parallel to the ground. Rest your fingertips down. Take your head towards the mat and just bend your arms slightly. And then you gently take your hands forward. You are on your fingertips. You don't have to put a lot of weight on your hands. Just breathe. Press into your feet. Take your hips back. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get your hands in. Bend your legs. Rest your hands on your waist. Knees are out. Knees on top of your ankles. Okay. Sumo squat to open your hips. Breathe. Relax your shoulders. Keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lift your hips up. Toes pointing forward. Get your legs in slightly. Lower down your hips. We come in squat position, Malasana. You can also rest your fingertips down if you are not comfortable lifting up. Breathe. Stay here, gently pressing into your palms without any stress in your wrist. And if you're not comfortable, always feel free to rest your hands down, breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly release your hands if you were lifting up. Put your fingertips back, sit on your hips. And we're going to end this session with one breathing practice. So we will do alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom. So sit straight, take your right thumb and pinky finger out. Rest the right thumb on the right side of your nostril. Pinky finger out. Breathing in through the left. Close the left with your pinky finger. Release your right thumb. Breathe out through your right. Continue breathing in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Release slowly. Rest your hands on your knees. Just let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. And take this time to just observe how you feel now, especially as compared to when you started your practice today. Then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. I hope you find this practice useful. Please feel free to add any comments if you have any questions, and if you would like to do more practice today, I've also added some yoga videos in the suggestions for your meditation or breathing. I look forward to practicing with you again. Thank you so much. Namaste.